Hello YouTube, this is Jenna Cupcakes with Jenna the camera person. Sorry you guys can't see my face, I'm filming. Sammy's not here, so this is a bit weird for me. We still got our Christmas tree up. Little angel on the top. And we got a puppy. His name is Dasher. He is a Schnauzer mix. He's just the cutest little thing. He's just a puppy. I'm gonna show you guys him. Where's little Dasher?
Probably underneath me. Is he underneath there?
Okay, let me check. Oh, hey Dash. Hey Dasher. Hey Dasher.
Stand up. He's acting like himself. This little hand thing he does.
This is Dasher. Maggie. Dasher. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go snuggle. Come on. Come on, Dasher. Come on. Nah. But. Come on, little cutie. How come you don't want to come upstairs with me?
You can with two hands. Put your pad. I got it down for a second.
Okay.
Right. Underneath the head. Two hands, and then you can adjust them. Like I showed you how Beth and William check them out. So look closer to it. Oh, Maggie, stop. Good night, buddy. Give him a kiss. Bring him here. Let me give him a kiss.
Okay.
Give the boy a kiss. Come here. Come here. Let me kiss. Let me kiss. Good night, good looking. Good night, good. I'm glad you feel better. We were worried about you.
Hushies,
Feel
Maggie.
better.
This is Maggie. She's a cute one.
That's Maggie, not Mandy. Where do you Mandy?
I said Maggie. So there you go, Banana Man 179, Casey Martz, and Nicole Angelo. These dogs aren't real. They most certainly are. Anyways, you guys can find me on YouTube. I mean on www.roblox.com. That's ROBLOX. And so, yeah, I am lowercase Jena, Jenna, 1919. So please subscribe. Yeah, sure. My little puppy. Yeah, I love it so much. So, see ya.